To Unbox the Planet. Today we're going to be unboxing a mirror dash cam with a 5-inch touchscreen and dual cameras, so it's got front and rear cameras. It's 1080p, and as it's described, it's a mirror dash cam, so it sits in front of your rear view mirror, essentially replaces your rear view mirror. Let's go through it then. So I've already taken off the outer sleeve because it's a bit fiddly. You can see there it's got some basic feature descriptions on there. Now to the main box. So here we go. So first thing we've got is we've got a little thank you card from the manufacturer. We have a user manual, obviously some packaging, and here's the actual device. So as you can see, you've got a socket for the micro SD, AV connector, which I would expect is for the rear view camera, and a mini USB slot, which I'd assume is for power, and also if you want to do some sort of data transfer. You've also got some buttons on the rear, which are additional controls and the usual things. There's the camera, and that's the speaker, possibly even a mic as well. Let's put that down. So some more packaging. Got a mini USB connector, the rear view camera, which is meant to be waterproof. You can see it's got some infrared emitters on it, and because it's also got a reversing camera function, there is the extra cable here, which I believe connects to the reversing light to enable it to detect when you've put it in reverse. Then we've got the power cable, which is obviously mini USB to a cigarette lighter socket connector, and the two rubber strap devices that are used to attach it to your rear view mirror. Thanks very much.